Alright, 1 year ago today was our first full day in our house. Didn't look anything like this. Kitchen's not too different. Little dining room area. Hearth room, I think. Little bar. Our dining room table. Wood floors that were carpet. This is our bedroom with our accent wall. Pretty. Need some pictures. Ozzy, say hello. Yay! All right, and then backyard, which was crazy. There's Stu. Got our tiki torches, our flower beds, the pool, little fire pit, and our pergola with our chairs. So nice. We love it so much. Thank you, Anita. Come see us soon. We love you.